Two-bedroom hall kitchen apartment is what we are showing you today in Parle East. It's a new building, OC Resort project. We are in Azad Road. This project is done by one of the most reputed developers. As you enter in the living area, you have an amazing, nice, lovely west open view. The reason is that because you have the railway tracks on this side, nothing will come. Amazing ventilation you can see. You must come here to witness the full sea breeze. Moving to the first bedroom, which has a washroom attached to it. This is the bedroom over here. Again, this has an amazing west open view. This is the washroom attached to it over here. From first, let's move ahead to the kitchen area. On opposite side, you have the kitchen area. On the left hand side as well, you have a nice lovely kitchen with parallel countertops. This is the common washroom over here. And from common washroom, let's move to the second bedroom. Again, this also has a lovely west open view. And the second side also you have an amazing ventilation. The developer has done this very nicely. Nowadays, you don't get to see such type of huge two-bedroom hall kitchen flats. The building has a gymnasium, OC Resort project. We are on the 9th floor. This is a 10th storied building on Azad Road. To know more, please you get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors.